looks delicious
Nice.
and beautiful.
So this right here is a MasterPro Air Fryer, which I don't know where we bought.
From Lidl.
There you go. It has an 8-liter frying basket and 8 functions. It has an LED display. And because it's an air fryer, you need much less oil. Which is very cool, healthier, you know, and
Less
stuff.
oil.
It's cool touch
8
housing.
liters basket.
Cool touch housing, I don't know what that means, but sure, we'll take it. And non-slip base, so it won't slip. I don't know why, but sure, I don't mind.
Let's unbox it and make some crispy potato.
You could have just said fries.
Let's start.
What are you doing? What are you on?
You go slice it.
You need help, okay? You most definitely need help.
No,
Oh, you just...
you make this way. It's easy.
Sure. That's good.
Oh, look, it's good.
Crazy. Are we sure that's what we're doing? Okay.
Let's. It's a basket. Carefully. This is a big one.
Crazy, $1,000 air fryer. I know if basket is inside, use a stack to pull out the basket.
No.
Use a stack to pull out the basket. Nothing happens.
Maybe yeah, we need.
Oh yeah, fair point. Fair point. Now, there we go. That's the handle. No, not the box, yeah. It's inside the box. Crazy, right?
It's handle.
Yes, that's literally what it just said.
How to.
Good job.
And stack it and put the handle on its place.
Like that? Yes, like
this
that.
way.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You can make
There we go.
some crispy potato.
So now we're gonna test it by frying potatoes in it. And this is also our first time using an air fryer, so we'll see how that goes. So let's turn it on.
Okay.
Temperature.
We need 190.
Here.
90. And 5 minutes to preheat the basket.
Okay.
Turn it on. Wow!
Not my first time doing this, trust. Definitely.
We need to take this pattern for air dryers. It looks like this.
Whatever.
Yeah. And put it in the basket.
Interesting. And what's that?
To put potato inside.
Fries.
Off. Okay.
I don't think it really is, bro. I don't think it is.
Now try to eject it. Already hot.
Makes sense.
A lot of hot. We'll put.
Wait, let me.
It's very hot. Be careful.
No way, really? Did not know.
Not sorry. I don't know, one by one.
No, you just put it all in.
Yeah.
Yeah, duh.
Like this.
Yes, exactly like that.
Let's put it back.
And how much now
And now we need 20 minutes. 190 and 20 minutes.
Now we wait.
We'll shake it.
Okay, shake.
I think it's
I think it's stuck already now.
how to shake it.
I think you added way too little oil.
I said
It's stuck.
It's okay.
I
It's
think
ready.
a little more.
You think it's must be more? Okay.
Yeah, you need that crunch, you know.
We try to shake it and we'll wait.
Okay.
8 minutes.
Yeah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Off!
I think you need to turn it off first.
No. I think it will be automatically.
I think that's a skill issue for you. Just pull it off.
It's turned on off automatically.
Okay.
And I will eject our fries. Let's see what we have there.
Looks like it has a good crisp to it.
Yeah. Let's try to put it. I think it will be. Can you?
I think you do not know what you're doing.
I know. I try to
Yeah, you know, but you don't know.
place here and put it here, and we close it here. Ta-dam! Let's test it.
Sure.
Is it crispy?
Very crunchy.
Very crunchy.
I like that.
I will test two. Small one and.
You know.
Awesome.
I'll just keep going. Very good. So we've been using this air fryer for over a month now, and it's very good. It makes very delicious food. It's best for meat, but it's also good for everything else. So right now we have here a thing from Lidl, a pack from Lidl of meat, which we marinated, and we're gonna put it to cook, and we'll see what happens.
Okay, let's start. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We need 200 degrees.
How much
And
time?
15
15
minutes
minutes.
will be okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
7 minutes left. We need 8 minutes left. It will be 7 minutes left. We need to shake it. Okay, we will shake it. Like this. We need to rotate each part of our meat. It's hot. And last one. This one and this one. Okay. It's all.
Oh.
It looks delicious
Nice.
and beautiful. Let's show people what it looks.
I call dibs on this pork.
Yeah, awesome.